Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about tokens right now. Here's Wayfinder Prompt. Is this coin really going to hit $1 soon? With the new Bitget listing just around the corner, things are heating up fast. So let's break it down. Alright, first things first, what's happening with Prompt right now? The coin just launched a couple of days ago, and yes, the price did dip early on, which is pretty common with new listings. But don't be fooled by the dip. This is where the opportunity begins. Early volatility is normal, and it's often the perfect entry point before the real pump. Now here's why everyone's talking about Prompt. It's tied to Wayfinder, a project gaining major traction. It's already getting listed on Bitget, one of the top exchanges for new and trending tokens. And let's not forget, it's still super early, meaning you're ahead of the crowd if you're even watching this video. Now let's talk numbers. Is a $1 target realistic? Honestly, yes, and here's why. The hype is growing fast. Major listings like Bitget can bring in a flood of new users. And low initial prices mean even small volume pumps can create big price moves. If the trading volume continues to grow and the team behind Wayfinder keeps delivering, $1 isn't just a dream, it's within reach. So is Prompt going to the moon? It's looking like it. But remember, early coins come with risk, so always do your own research. If the momentum keeps building, this could be one of those "I wish I bought early" stories. Let us know in the comments, are you holding Prompt? Do you believe it can hit $1? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more real-time crypto updates.